In this video, we will show you how to create a form using Zoho. With Zoho, we can create a free form. How to do that? First, you need to open the website forms.zoho.com. Okay, you can see this is the URL address. And after that, you need to log in. If you have the account, or if you didn't have one, you can create the account first. In here, I'm already have the account, so I can directly log in into my dashboard here. To create a new form, you can just click this button. Okay, click new form. Then in here, you can start from blank form using AI or using form templates. But in here, the very popular is templates and blank form. Okay, you can also explore how the AI works. But in this tutorial, let me show you how to create from blank form, but I will introduce about form template. If you click form template, you can find the very predefined layout. So many layout here. You can use or you can preview. If maybe the form is suitable with you, you can preview here. You can click this use this template so you can edit them later. But like I usually before, let's create from a scratch. Okay, because this is the very basic. Just click blank form here, and for example form name. Okay, where data questionnaire, and click create form. For example, in here to using the design, you need to select this item on the left side. Okay, you can also add grid. For example, if you need using row column with fill in here and fill in here, but let's do the very basic, just using one column. We can directly start to drag and drop item we need. For example, we can add name like this, and no address, I will just using email, and the website, this is just for example here. Okay, actually on the Zoho, the send button will not be displayed directly on our current designer or builder. So you can preview first. If you see, there is submit button here, and there is header. How to edit this? You can just close the preview. To edit your header, you can just click here, and this is your form title. Okay, this is about description of your form. For example, this just an example. It will appear below of the form title. Okay, here you can also disable this if you don't want. Okay, you can, oh no, we cannot disable directly the header in the form builder. So how to hide this? You can just go to the settings, and after that, in here, the most important thing, you can choose display. You can hide the form header. If you save here, you can back to builder. You can preview again. While on the builder, the header still exists. If you preview, the header will be gone because you disable it. And okay, for the submit button, you can also select settings again and choose the submit button here. Let's see the display first. Okay, this is the submit button label. For example, submit now, and click save. And if you see on the preview, it will appear with the updated button. Okay, this is now the most important thing, because in default, if you send the email, you will not receive notification until you choose the settings. Okay, to settings, this is when responder is send the form data, you can set the email notification by email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Let's just using email. This is the very common way. We can click configure. Okay, in here you can send to is your mail address, for example cs@weirdata.com. In here this is for example your from name, like this for example. And the field, if you don't know, you can just click this to select all of these you have. Okay, we can just copy everything here. Okay, we can just paste like this. So if we click save here, if we have the responder, it will be sent into our email with the description before. Okay, in here let me show you how if we send the email. I will click preview first. Okay, after that I'm just want to access form. Oh, I'm sorry, my form has limited, so I can show you the example because my free version has been exceed the limit. After responder fill all of this data and send, you will have notification on your email. And that's tutorial how to create a form with Zoho. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.